Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this, the magic of Macy's. My wife been purchased this. I guess they have awesome sales for their pajamas. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. I'm not sure what is it, but let's go ahead and check it out. So this is the description. This is a family pajama woman buffalo plaid. Size small. So let's go ahead and then get this open up. Wow. So it is family pajamas, woman size small, made in Cambodia. Regular price is $59.50. She told me she paid less than $19.99, or I mean less than 20 bucks. So let's go ahead and then get this. I see it. Is that a bug or what is that? See like a block stuff right here. I'm not sure. It's like a lint, 30s. Barely awake. Okay. And you got this big circle neck instead of V-neck. And this is the long sleeve. It's a pretty nice material actually. Let me see. Try to see what kind of material is this. Buffalo check. Unfortunately, there's no label or says anything. It feels like cotton anyway, so go ahead and get this one. This is a buffalo check again, size small. Got this like a checkerboard pattern, and this is the jogger pants. And no pockets. So again, it doesn't say what kind of material this one is, so. Alright, so this is my unboxing for this barely awake family pajama from Macy. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Share this with your friend on social media, and then drop any in the comments below. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.